Hello everybody, it's me, Mario Luigi 2009, and welcome to Kill the Plumber. So right now I was playing this game earlier, but there was some technical difficulties and I had to start all over, had to delete the videos and stuff. So basically this game is called Kill the Plumber, and you're playing in the perspective of Goomba this time instead of Mario. So you can find this game in Game Jolt. It's a pretty cool game so far. It was frustrating at first. Let's see if I'm able to beat it this time. So, let's go.
Ay, Dios mío.
Again, I didn't know Mario was Spanish. Alright, Sire, a maniac is in our kingdom, what? Send the troops. Alright, so the way you play is you're this little Goomba over here, and you're supposed to kill Mario without him stepping on you like how Mario would. And you also get 3 stars like a boss. Alright, this one was pretty hard. All I had to do is step on him, because apparently Mario has quick reflexes. Okay. And I fall on him. Oh, so slow. Okay. And no. Okay. Okay. Follow him now. Yes. Okay, right here. This one, it just threw itself at me. You had to survive. There you go. I'm just trying to speed through this. My bad. I already know what's. Oh. Well, last time all I did was stand next to the pipe and he just jumps off. Because I figured out a new way to kill him. Alright. Now I have thorns on my head. I like this guy better, cause so then he won't be stepping on me. It took me a while to figure this one out. There you go. Another 3 stars. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. 3 stars. Alright, this is where I don't know how to beat it. I was frustrated on this for a long time. This is when it started to lag, so. Oh, great. Oh. I have 2 and he has super quick reflexes, and I have 2 Goombas and I still can't kill him. I wonder what happens if I go down here. Oh! I didn't even pay attention. 3 stars without trying. Oh, I'm red now. Use up or space to jump. Oh, I could jump now. Oh. Killed him. He was too scared of my mad skills. Oh. Oh. Okay, just keep jumping, keep jumping, keep jumping, keep jumping. Yeah. That one caught me off guard. Oh, now do I have to beat him? I have to beat him to it. Oh, he stepped on me. I forgot he didn't have the spiky head. Oh, again. You know, I think I know what to do. All I had to do is just jump in here and attack him. Never mind. And he made it. No. Ugh. And oh yeah, if you guys notice, the if you guys notice, the mic is actually working this time, so yippee! I guess if you guys actually don't enjoy hearing my voice, maybe it's a bummer to you guys. Like at that time, I didn't know what was going on with my mic. I literally didn't know what was going on. I think because I was like too busy shouting into the mic that it started to freak out and stuff, and didn't want to record the mic very well. And I got him this time. Never mind. Come on, quick. You know. What if I go into the holes? Oh, no. Quick. Too fast for you, I'm Sonic. Oh, it was close though. It's getting closer. Oh, I got him. World 1 done. I finished the first world already? Oh, alright then. Press down. Oh, I'm the Thump guy, or whatever his name is. I'm gonna call him Thump guy. Seems like I have so much of a headache. Oh, he actually knew when to stop. Oh, he got me. Wow. Yeah. I didn't know why he wasn't moving. 3 stars for the Thump guy. Oh, I could move. I did not know that. I move so slow going up. Okay, solve this. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say solve it quickly. Nope. Oh. No, I would have made it. Yes! Oh, I crushed them. I think I'm becoming a little too violent. Oh, you could kill yourself? Are you serious? Okay, so I see it's a little maze. Oh. Oh, I got myself again. Okay. Down, side, up, and crush. Thump. That's my thump sound effect. I press down to throw axes. Oh, I sound like one of those turtles. One of those douchebag turtles. Oh, I could also jump. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, how does he know? Oh, that passed right through his hat. Right here. All I have to do is just throw it to one spot until he starts running. One of those is gonna hit him. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, I just passed him. So a little more forward. Yeah, okay. Just get forward. Oh, I'm gonna pee. Yeah. I just noticed I'm the P from that weird movie. I forgot its name. With Wreck-It Ralph. I think that's the name of the movie. The little green pea, little serving guy. Get over here. Chop, chop. Chop it, chop it, chop. Oh, I got him. Oh, now he can throw fireballs, eh? Jump. X. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, he got me. Now I know how it's unfair for the Goombas. Yes, I got it. 3 stars. Totally fair, even though I have multiple deaths. Yes, that was all luck. That was all luck. I'm a grenade now. Pow. This is a pretty cool game. Whoever, the guy who created it was like really. I can't jump now, no more. The guy who created it really thought this through. He was really creative with this. I never thought of a Mario game with the Goombas perspective. How do you dodge that? Oh, like that. So you just stand here. Oh, never mind. A little more forward. Got him. Three stars. Oh, this is going fast for some reason. 9 seconds. Okay. Oh, dodge, dodge. Oh, never mind. Got 10 seconds to go get to him. I'm 100% sure. Either that, oh, or for him to come to me. I'm pretty sure he'll wait. Ah, that last one always gets me. Let's go. I'm getting angry. Oh. Look at, I'm running. I'm gonna get you with my stubby legs. Oh. Why don't they make these type of Goombas in the Mario game? That would make things interesting. Oh. Even though if you guys see my gameplay in Mario, you guys won't believe my real skills that I have. Ah, come on. We're doing so good. Come on, go for the 3 stars. Nope, I'm just gonna keep running into that one. Let's go. Now, damn it. Nope. Just run to him, run to him. Oh, dodge, dodge. Nope. Oh my gosh. Dodge, 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 dodge. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on, Mario, you're just being a dick. You're making me look bad. Like if I haven't been doing enough already. Oh, I wasn't even gonna make it to him anyways. How could I do this? Well, that's one way. Would he just come charging at me if I dodge him over here? I couldn't even dodge right there. What if I just survive him? I can't. Dodge. Okay. Just slowly dodge with your stubby legs, Goomba. Come on, you can do it. Oh, I fell. I didn't fall. If I fell, it landed on me. There you go. Oh my gosh. Come on, Mario. If you are even Mario, Mario wouldn't have an X. Nope. I'm 100% sure it has to be a faster way for you to get to him. Oh, I would have made it to him. I would have got there. Okay. Come on. Dodge. Okay. Okay, instead of progressing, I am literally going down. Like my skills are going down instead of up. Oh, I got him. Must kill. Oh, like a pro. I'm too pro for this game. Okay. Oh, never mind. I think I took my pro skills a little too serious now. Yes, I got him. Another castle. What is this? Oh, okay, I see. World 3, and then there's the lost levels. How much time? Alright. Seems like a good part to leave it on. Alright. So I'm just gonna stop here. If you guys like it, just put it in a comment below. You could try this game out for yourself in the description below. It's called Kill the Plumber. I'm pretty sure is what you've been watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and comment whichever game you want me to play next, or if you want me to play this next, or for the next one, I don't really know. Just say whatever you want to say in the comment below. And that is it. I will see you in the next video. Wahoo!